Hello everyone and welcome back. I hope you are doing well. So in today's video I have gotten a Genesis G80 and I'm going to be showing you all how to use this massive 14.5-inch infotainment system on this car. But before we move forward, I have a bit of a task for you. So head down over, click that red subscription button, and also make sure to press that bell icon and leave all the notifications on, so that way you are notified every single time a new video is uploaded. So the infotainment system on this G80 is a massive 14.5-inch touchscreen colorful display. There are multiple ways you can use this infotainment screen. So the first way is obviously the touch screen. So the thing is, because it's quite a distance, when you are driving, to use this screen, so there are buttons also given out here. So there is like the scroller, so you can use this like this, like a dial, and then there is also the touch pad in the center, like a glass one, and it's also got the haptic feedback. There are buttons out here for your volume. There is also the tuner, there is the menu option, there is the home button and the back button. So while on the move, you can use this infotainment screen using these buttons and the wheel which is given out here. So the easiest way, and actually the most quickest way, is obviously to use the touch screen. So let me show you using the touch screen how to use that. So you first are greeted to this massive 14.5-inch screen which has these split options in your on your main display, which is like a wallpaper out here, and the temperature and the media at the bottom information, and on the other side you would see the navigation, which actually moves when you are driving around. So it's like a 3D map which shows you on your screen. So when I scroll, or you can tap on it, so you are greeted with this huge option out here, like list of options. So first option is the map, so you go inside and then you can change everything. And also the thing is, it would even relay from the camera system the directions on your map if you want the live feed, so you can do it like that also. Then there is the menu option in which you can set your destination and everything, and then this is like the compass. So yeah, you can do lots of things on this map itself. It's kind of all right in terms of the speed. So yeah, and then the navigation menu option again, in which you can put all the different address and everything, and then you can plan your route and everything from here. The next option is the Qibla, which is like the direction which shows you where the west direction is, which is what it is showing. So yeah, it's for the prayers. And also there is the radio option, in which you will find all your radio option basically, which is your FM and the AM. So you can change, and then you can even change the, yeah, you can scroll it from here and change the channels out here. There is the media option, in which you will find this sort of calming voice, calming sounds. It's called the sounds of nature. I'm going to come to that too. So you can go to the main media sources from here, and then you can change the Bluetooth audio, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, USB, sounds of nature, or the USB audio. You can change all of that from here. So yeah, these are the list of different sounds, like your lively forest, your calm sea, your rainy day, your open air cafe, and then the warm fireplace and the snowy village. So the car would automatically play these sounds for you. So let me just put one of the sounds. So like let me put the calm sea waves, so you can hear it. So it would just play around in the speakers in the car, and then it goes from one end to the other. So from the sound would flow from one end to the other end. Yeah, so yeah, lots of cool things that you can do on this Genesis G80's infotainment screen. Then the next option is the phone option. When your phone is connected, then the phone projection option, again, when it is connected it would show you, but for now, because the phone isn't connected, so it wouldn't go into that menu option. And then there is the voice memo, which if you get any voicemails or anything, then you can directly go from here. There is also the menu option on top, from where you can switch off the display, or you can also reorder the icons if you want to. So you can arrange this however you want from here also. And also there is in the detail inside, you can go in from the settings option, and then you can change the basically reorder the menu options as well. And then look at the animation out here. So that is really cool. I know it's a little slow that way, but I still don't mind, because the way it flows around, and then the graphics are really cool, which doesn't make it feel like it's a slow system. And then you come to this detail setting options, in which you will find your vehicle option, in which there is driver assistance, You can change all the safety systems from here. There is also the drive mode. You can change the custom drive modes on this G80. So you get 4 different modes. So the custom mode is one of it, so you can change that from here. You can change the engine, steering, suspension, and the all-wheel drive system. So that is there. And then that is the active sound system. Now when the car is in sport mode, it's got a choice of engine options that you can hear. So it's the high engine sound, mid, low, or you don't want anything. It actually makes a lot of difference. It blows those artificial sounds inside through the speakers. And then there is the heads up control, in which you can select all the content and everything. Then there is the cluster. The cluster actually can be also changed from the steering wheel button, which are given out here. So you can change those from here, or you can change all the different menu options from here too on the cluster. Then there is the climate, so you can change all the climate related operations, and you can do the defog and then the climate feature. So lots of changes you can do from this menu option. Then there is the seat option, in which you can change all the seat modes, the massage seat options. All of it can be changed from here. And then there is the light option. So there are lights around in the car, so those lights can be changed from here, which is basically your ambient lighting. And also the ambient lighting, when you go inside, there are color options. So you can see on your screen, it shows you different sort of colors. Yes, the red color, so it will change, and then you can change all these lights from here. And also this gear selector has this glass effect, and behind that there are the lights. So yeah, I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can see the red color light, so you can change the light. It's all the light that you set out here will change the light on that crystal also. So that is one option. And then there is the door option. You can change all the door settings. Then there is the convenience option, and then you can reset everything basically from this reset option. And then there is the navigation. But that way, if you notice, the screen that way doesn't lag that much. It's responsive. It immediately picks up my touch. So the moment you press any option, yeah, the sound option now, so you can change all the sound settings from here, the reference. So this is like the surround sound system, which you can change. So there's a reference, audience, or on stage. Very good sound system on this. Then there is the device connection, so you can add or remove Bluetooth connections from here. So all you have to do, yeah, so you can see it's already searching my phone because it's already been added. So you can change all the menu options from here also. So let me go back, and then there is the user profile. So you can have your individual user profile, so the car would remember all your options and settings when you get in. There is the display option, in which you can change how you want the display to look. You can leave it on automatic, so in the night it would just dim down, and in the day it would be like bright. Then there is a blue light filter, so you can adjust the light that it emits, the blue light. So that is basically which really is strenuous to your eyes, so you can reduce that blue light effect. There is also the screensaver home screen layout, which I mentioned. So you can change the home screen layout from here also using the display option which has been given. Then there is the split screen option, in which you can see the screen on this side. You can change what you want to see on that screen. Then the home screen wallpaper, which we saw, so you can change that too. So different home screen wallpaper options that you can put on this infotainment screen. I've actually changed now. You will see it when you go to the main screen. Then there is the button or the touchpad settings, so you can change all the buttons. And the star button, which is basically given out here, so the star button can be customized and you can assign any button to it. Then there is the custom button on the steering wheel, which is this one, so you can customize that button also, the mode button, whatever you want. You can change every single thing on this G80. And then there is the general settings, in which you can see your software, your system information, the lock rear controls, if you want to lock the rear controls in the back, which is your media controls for the rear passenger, you can change that too. And then when we go back, then there is the sound of nature, which is like this dedicated area or a menu option which they have given, or you can go from the media and change it. So yeah, these are all the menu the different sound options that you can change. And then from top also, you can see you can change the different surround sound options quickly. So when we go back, then there is the seat option. So you can change the passenger seat from here. So you can change the front, the backrest angle, the cushion height, and the cushion angle. So all of that can be changed from this touchscreen itself for the passenger also. So the next option is the climate option, in which you can change the climate from the touch screen also, or the controls which are given at the bottom from here also. So I find it easier to use it this way, but yeah, if you are someone who likes the touch screen controls, then yeah, this has been given too. So you can adjust the temperature from here, slide it, and then change the flow of air, the direction of air, and then the fan speed that you can change. All of that can be changed from here too. And then there is the manual option, so you can change, you can see any of the digital manuals which are given, or you can scan and actually see it on your phone as well, which are, this is the handwriting manual, so one if you want to see it on your screen. And then even here the menu can be changed, so you can rearrange these icons too. So yeah, that is pretty much it. So you have seen like already the back wallpaper has changed, which we changed from the setting option. You can also change the date and time directly by tapping on that date option, and then you can see the GPS time, the daylight saving, or the time format. You can change all of it from here, and then you can see the split screen out here. So you can change the different clock options also from here, and also you can see different split screen option, which is your clock, your compass, your navigation, your media, so all of that, and also different compass options also, which is your 3D, and different designs for it as well. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful in understanding how to use the infotainment system on this G80, and it's actually quite easy because it's that way, it's very simple system to operate, though the screen may look huge, but yeah, in terms of the operations, it's very simple to and easy to start using it. And if you like this video, then make sure to press that thumbs up button and leave a like on this video. And also if you feel like, then please feel free to share this video so that more people can find this helpful video. Now if you want to subscribe to my channel, then you can click here, and if you want to watch more videos, then click here. I shall see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care and stay safe.